My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Ford Tornado Sport. This vehicle has done just under 72,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Tornado comes with 8 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, using the buttons below, we can access radio, media, phone, sound and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors and a parking camera. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.